Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in the gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today, I'm at an amazing property and I can't wait to show you. It's a brand new home. It's called Casa Manta Ray, and we're here in Mar Vista, just above Playa Flamingo. This home is about 5,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, complete luxury. It's got travertine floors, travertine walls, Venetian stucco walls, incredible views of the ocean. It's gonna be like no home you've ever seen before. Come enjoy this beautiful property tour with me today. This living room is amazing. I love this blue color couch. I think it would fit about 12 people comfortably with this amazing view of the ocean. You've got a bar here, and you come around, and right away, you're at your dining room and your kitchen. This kitchen is an absolute chef's dream come true. Not only do you have these incredible views that you have to look at with your infinity pool, the mountains, the white sand, the ocean, you've got this incredible workspace, solid wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a huge pantry to boot. Right at the living room, you're going to find the 2 guest bedrooms and this huge closet that has batteries to the solar power system. Come check out the first bedroom. Here you have a queen bed, a custom-made bed with incredible ocean views. You have an ensuite bathroom with travertine walls, Venetian stuccos, a beautiful metal sink, and a shower that has this amazing view of the ocean. Bedrooms have patio doors to the outside. The entire of the house is made with tile for easy maintenance. And here is where you would find me all my days. I can see about 10 different islands over here. This is amazing. The pool here at Casa Manta Ray is one of the most incredible pools I've ever seen. Not only is it infinity edge, it's got volcanic stone on either side. It has incredible views of the ocean, the mountains, the white sands of Conchal, and best of all, it faces west and has the most amazing sunsets. Let's go check out the upstairs. Now, not only is the bedrooms amazing, look at this staircase. Full travertine, glass, both sides glass, mountain views, ocean views, and the most amazing artwork I've ever seen in my life. José Mora is an absolute genius. If you're looking for an absolute luxury property, Casa Manta Ray is the one for you. Here, one of the master bedrooms, you've got travertine floors, travertine on the walls of the bathroom, lit mirrors, gorgeous stone sink, showers with incredible ocean views, a custom-made king bed, and it faces the ocean with patio doors to take you out to this amazing life here in Pura Vidaville. Artwork was done by the architect. José Mora is his name. He hand painted every painting in this room. It's so beautiful and it's so peaceful. It just makes me stand here in awe. inside master is the manta ray room. The entire house is shaped like a manta ray, so if you look at it from the top, it's exactly how a manta ray looks. And this is another beautiful art piece by José Mora. You have another custom king bed. It overlooks the ocean. You can see the island. You've got a gorgeous ensuite bathroom, plenty of space with 2 stone sinks, showers with ocean views, and a huge walk-in closet. This house is simply dreamy. Front door and you go to the right, there you're going to find the powder bathroom, the laundry room, and a 2.5 car garage. Manta Ray is located in a community called Mar Vista. It's a luxury community here just above Playa Flamingo. Here, there's a school right at the front. You've got tons of restaurants to choose from. You're about 5 minutes from the marina. You're close to hospitals. This would make a perfect permanent residence, or if you would like to rent this out, this would be an amazing vacation rental as well. If you would like to learn more about this property, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.